Hello friends, welcome back with a new video to learn Python programming language. So today we will learn about typecasting, which are of two types, implicit typecasting and explicit typecasting. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So basically typecasting is the process of converting data type of any variable, and it can be done by using either implicit typecasting or by using explicit typecasting. Now let's learn about these both in detail. So first of all, implicit typecasting. When Python interpreter automatically changes data type of any variable, then it is called implicit typecasting. Now let's see how this is done. So for implicit typecasting, let's make a variable with any integer value. Let me take variable num with an integer value of 90. Let's check its type and see it's an integer value. Now let's divide the variable with 2.0. Now let me print the value of num. So this is 45.0. See, Python have automatically changed the data type of num from integer to float. So this is how implicit typecasting works. Now explicit typecasting. So when the programmer himself or herself change the data type of any variable, then it is called explicit typecasting. So here the question arises that how he or she can change the data type of any variable. This is done by using a special method, and you will learn about this in the example. So now I will show how explicit typecasting works. So let's make a variable. Let me take num again with a value of 90. So this is an integer type value. Now changing is done by using this method, num equals to str and then the variable in parentheses. Now check the data type of num now and see the data type have been changed into string. But remember that you should be logical about that, because you can change integer to a string but not string into an integer. You can change an integer value to a float value also, a float value to a integer value also. Like this, a equals to 79. Its data type is integer, and now let's change this into a float value. So a equals to float, then in parentheses the variable, and now check the type of that variable and see it have been changed into a float value. Now let's make a list and change it into tuple s. So it's a list. Now for changing it into tuple, s equals to tuple and then in parentheses the variable, and now check the type. and see list have been changed it into tuple. So this is how explicit typecasting works. I hope you have understood the topic typecasting. Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting and loving for more. And don't forget to hit the like and share button. And if you are new here, then subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, then ask me on Facebook or Instagram or my FB page Mastermind. Thank you.